PetSmart is a great partner, and it brings a lot of opportunity to ARF to place animals in forever homes. They do national adoption events a few times a year. This is the second one that we have done with them, and we have already broken their store record for today only, and we have 2 more days to go. The store goal was 16, and we've already hit 16. Right now we're at 5 cats, and the rest dogs. We've had a lot of puppies, and they have all been taken today, and they're just have been adorable, and people have gone gaga over them. It's a national event. It's this way in all the PetSmart stores. This is their national adoption weekend.